Hey everyone, welcome back to our new video, and in this video you will learn to set up a marketing automation by which you can market your business on WhatsApp. So guys, here you will learn to send business flyers to your customers on WhatsApp, that too automatically. So guys, it is going to be really beneficial and it will change the way you do marketing of your business. So let me show you how this is going to work. So guys, this will be the flow of this automation. Here I have used Google Sheets application in which I have added the business flyers URLs. Okay, so here you have to create business flyers and add the download links and the URLs of the flyers in rows. And as and when you add the business flyer in a row, a message will be delivered to all your customers at a time on WhatsApp with the business flyers link. Okay, this is going to happen automatically, guys. And in place of Google Sheets, if you want to use any other spreadsheet application, you can use that also. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the beauty of this automation is you can set up this automation without any coding skills and programming knowledge. So anyone can do this. So now let's set up this automation together. So guys, to set up this automation, we need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect first. And to reach here, you can use this link, pabbly.com/connect. So we have pasted the same link in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this button, sign up free. And you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so it will just take 2 minutes. So sign up right now and log in to reach here on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And guys, here you need to create a workflow of automation, and to do that, just click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to your workflows. So I am giving the name here as send business flyers on WhatsApp. Okay, so you can give any relevant name. After giving the name, just click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, you will see the trigger and the action. So guys, automation work on these two things. So the trigger is that event which is going to triggers this workflow or starts this workflow. So it is saying when this happens, that means when this event happens, action will make Pabbly Connect perform any action. So it is saying do this. All right. So action is the response towards the trigger. As in this use case, the trigger would be adding of a business flyer into Google Sheet here like this in a row. Let me show you. This is the spreadsheet in which I am adding the links of my business flyers. So as I am going to add a link here, that is going to trigger the workflow, and the action towards that trigger would be to send the flyer as a message on WhatsApp to our customers. Okay. So first of all, you need to set up this trigger. So from this choose app field, you have to choose your trigger application, which is Google Sheets. Okay. And here in the trigger event, you have to select this option, new or updated spreadsheet row. Okay. And it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys. And with the help of this, we are going to make a connection with Google Sheets application. And then we are going to capture the response of that connection, or that is called Webhooks response. Okay, so you need to follow these instructions written here to make the connection. Let me show you how exactly we can do this. So first of all, you need to reach the spreadsheet in which you have the flyer details. So this is my spreadsheet. Okay, and here you have to click on extensions, and from this add-ons, click on get add-ons, and you will reach this window, which is Google Workspace Marketplace. And here you have to search for an add-on which is called Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Okay, so guys, you have to install this add-on here, Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So it will just take 2 minutes, and you can see I have already installed it, so I do not need to install it again. So after installing this add-on here, you need to refresh your spreadsheet as well. So this is an important step. After installing Pabbly Connect Webhooks add-on, you need to refresh the spreadsheet. After that, when you click on extensions, you will find this Pabbly Connect Webhooks option available in the drop down. And from here, you have to open the initial setup. Okay, and in the initial setup, you will find these two fields. First is the webhook URL field, and the other is the trigger column. So guys, in the webhook URL field, we have to copy and paste this webhook URL that we got from the workflow. And in the trigger column, we have to enter the name of the final data entry column or the last data entry column that we have. So let me show you. So guys, this is my final data entry column. This means I have to start filling the data from column A. First of all, I am going to name the title of the flyer, then I'll paste the link here. And as I'm going to paste the link here in this column B, that is going to trigger the workflow. So our B column is the trigger column, right? So click on extension, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, initial setup. All right, here we have already a webhook pasted. Let me erase this. In the trigger column, we are going to put B here only. And let me copy this webhook URL from here. And I'm going to paste it here in this webhook URL field like this. All right. And you can see here, as I have clicked on copy here, it started showing this waiting for the webhook's response. So this means we have to perform a test submission. So the test submission means we have to capture some data from our spreadsheet to here in our workflow, and that is going to act as a test data for us. And with the help of that data, we are going to set up this automation further, right? So to get the test data here, you need to reach back to your spreadsheet. And from this initial setup, you will find this send test button. So when you click on send test, the data of the first row that we have will be delivered here as the test data. Let me show you. Okay, so I have clicked on send test and you can see the test data has sent successfully. Let's check in our workflow if we got the data. And you can see we got the data here, the title of the flyer, the link of the flyer, the spreadsheet's name, ID, everything is here. Okay, right. Now here in the initial setup, click on submit, right? And you have to do one more thing here. Click on extensions, go to Pabbly Connect Webhooks and click on this send on event button also, send on event. So when you click on it, when you check this, what will happen whenever you add a new flyer here that you want to send to your customers, as you add the flyer, that is going to trigger the workflow and the same flyer will be delivered to all your customers. Okay. Now guys, to send this flyer to all your customer, first of all, we need to have the data of your customers. So I have created another spreadsheet guys, in which I have collected the data of my customers like this. Okay. So here you can see I have the name of my customers, the email IDs and the mobile numbers or the WhatsApp numbers. All right. So what we are going to do now to send to send flyers to these customers, we are going to connect this spreadsheet also here in the actions tab. Okay. So from this actions tab, search for Google Sheets again. And in the action event, select get rows. So it will retrieve, you can retrieve rows from the sheet based on specified range. So it will fetch out the details of all the customers from our spreadsheet to here. And we are going to make this workflow run row by row for each customer. And one by one, we are going to send the business flyers. Okay. Right. So click on get rows, click on connect. From this window, select add new connection and then click on connect with Google Sheets. And from this window, select that Google account by which you have created that sheet like this. And you can see after this, it will ask for some additional access to connect. So just click on continue and we are getting connected with Google Sheet again. All right. So that's how we can connect. And now it is asking to select the name of your spreadsheet. So the spreadsheet's name is this client's data. So you have to search for it, look for it from this list. And here it will show you all the spreadsheets that you have. And from here, let's select this client's data sheet. The sheet's name is this one. You can see sheet 1. We have two sheets here, 1 and 2. I'm selecting 1 now. Okay. Here it is asking for the range. So guys, you have to put the range of data that you have in your spreadsheet. So to know the range, what you can do, just let me erase this. Just start selecting the data from the second row and keep selecting and just select the whole data of your customers like this. Okay. And when you are done selecting the data, you can see in the name box, it is showing A2:C19. This means we have the data from column A row 2 to column C row number 19. Okay. So this is our range. So you can just copy this range from here, paste it here like this. Okay. So guys, if you have static data, that means you are not changing the data in your spreadsheet, you can put the range like this. And if the range is dynamic, that means you keep adding or subtracting the rows of your customers. You can put the dynamic range. For that, what you can do, you just have to backspace this 19. Okay, so when you backspace this 19, it will become A2:C. This means we have specified that the data range is starting from column A, row second, and it is going to column C, and we don't know from where it will go. So we didn't put the AND row, number of the AND row. Okay, so that's how you can put the dynamic range. Now guys, it is time to capture the data of our customers here. For that to happen, first of all, just toggle this simple response to button to off to collect the data in a different format, in advanced format actually. And why we are doing this? Because we want to make this workflow run for each customer one by one. Okay. For that to happen, you need to toggle this simple response button to on and click on save and send test request to capture the data in advanced format or array format. Let me show you. Here you can see in this response result label, we got this array, and in this array we have the data of all the customers like this, right? Now to make this workflow run one by one for each row and for each customer, we need to separate the data row by row. To separate the data row by row, we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called Iterator. So just click on this plus icon and another actions tab will open up. From here, choose Iterator. This is here, choose Iterator. And here it will ask for to choose your array. So when you click here, it will show you the previous tab, which is this one. Okay. And it will show you this response result array in the drop down. Okay. Like this. Here is the response result array. So just click on it to map it here, and then click on save and send test request, and in the result you can see in the response it is started showing the data of the first row only. You can see here name, email, mobile number, and the row index. Name is Adam Smith, email, mobile number, and the row index is second row. Okay, that's how we can make this workflow run for each customer one by one. Okay, with the help of Iterator. So in real time, when this workflow is going to run, it is going to run for the first customer, then the second and third, and up to the last one, right? Now guys, what I want now, I want to send the flyers that I have in this spreadsheet to be delivered to my customers here on their WhatsApp accounts. For that to happen, just click here on this plus icon, and from this action step, search for WhatsApp's Cloud API. Okay, so guys, to send messages on WhatsApp, and to use this Cloud API feature here, first of all, you need to set up your own WhatsApp's Business Cloud API. And to do that, you can check the links that we have pasted in the description, and we have the videos on setting up how to set up your Cloud API, and we have thoroughly explained how you can set up your own WhatsApp Business Cloud API. So do check those videos, set up your own Cloud API, and then you can connect this Cloud API feature here in this action step. And the action event would be send a template message. So select send template message option, click on connect, and from this window select add new connection if you're making the connection with your Cloud API for the first time. And when you click here, it will ask for the permanent access token of your API setup, the phone number ID, and the business account ID. Right. So guys, to find these things, first of all, let's talk about this permanent access token. To generate a permanent access token, you can see the links that we have pasted in the videos. We have explained everything, or you can just click here on this here text from this step only, and you will reach the forum page of Pabbly Connect, forum.pabbly.com, and here you can see we have these two videos embedded: complete WhatsApp Cloud API setup, and the second video, generate permanent access token for WhatsApp. Watch these videos, generate a token for yourself, then you can see these instructions, step by steps instruction with these screenshots are available here on this page only, where you can learn about everything about Cloud API connection with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so just check this, right? And talking about these three things, so guys, let me show you my Cloud API setup. So Here I am under developer section of Meta for developers. And here I have created an application, which is this My Connect message app. And in this application, I have set up my WhatsApp Cloud API. Let me open this. So I have opened my application, guys, and here you can see on the left hand side panel we have this WhatsApp option. Click on WhatsApp and then click on Getting Started page, and on the Getting Started page you will see this temporary access token. So first they gave you temporary access tokens, but these temporary tokens expires in 24 hours. Okay, so we need to generate a permanent one, and you can see this video from the forum or from the description on how to set up your how to generate your permanent access token. Okay, here, right after getting the permanent access token generated, you have to keep it safe somewhere else, because generating the permanent access token is a one-time task only. After that, you can use the same token to make the connections afterwards also with Pabbly Connect. Okay, and on this page in the send and receive messages section, you can see this phone number ID is here. So just copy this and paste it here, and you will see here only this WhatsApp account ID also. So just copy this and paste it here, right? And after getting your permanent token generated, you have to paste it here and then click on save, and you will be connected with Cloud API setup. And guys, making the connection by this process, by adding new connection, is also a one-time process. Okay, once you make this connection by this process, after that if you want to make the connection again, just select this existing connection option, and from this connections list you can select any existing connection, like I am selecting this one, WhatsApp Cloud API final. And after that you just have to click on save and you will be connected again. Let me show you like this. Okay, so we are connected again, and here it is asking now for the templates name. So guys, to send messages on WhatsApp, we need to create some message templates in our API setup. And let me show you what are the templates. So here you can see in this send messages with the API section, I have you can read here, it is written to create your own message template, click here. So just click on this here text, and you will reach this message template sections of your Cloud API. And here these are the templates actually. Let me show you one. All right, so you can see these message templates are nothing but the predefined message structures that we can use to send WhatsApp messages to multiple people at a time. Okay, and here you can have a header in the template, you can have the main body of your template like this, and the footer and the action button also, and you can see the previews also of your message template. So this message template will look like this when you send it on WhatsApp. Okay, and you can notice here in the body of the message we have this 1 in double curly braces, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All right, so these, and 6 also. So these numbers in curly braces are the variable tags or the body fields of your message. So these are the variable things of our message which is going to change with every new message. As you can see here, these body fields are going to change like this. You can see in the preview. After hi in the first body field, there will be the name of the person. And here in the second and the third body field, we'll have the appointment details, the purpose of the appointment, the date of the appointment. In the fourth body field, the time of the appointment, and with whom we are going to take this appointment will be here in the fifth body field. Okay, and here your business's name. So that these are the volatile things which are going to change with every new message. So guys, you have to have these body fields placed in strategic places inside your message body, so that you can change these things in every new message. Okay, right, let me show you how you can create one message template. I'm clicking here on create message template button. So it will show you these categories of your message template: a transactional category, marketing category, and one-time passwords. So I'm selecting marketing here. Here you can give a name to your message template. Here you can select the language in which you want to send the message, right? And after that, just click on continue from here on the top. And now you can select the header of your template, and in the header you can put text and media also. In media you can attach an image, video, and the document as well. Here in the body box you have to type the main message that you want to send, and if you want to add those variables here, you just have to click here on this add variable button, and a tag will be added like this. So you have to put these tag in proper places. Okay, and you can put a header also and can attach a button also. Right after that, just click on submit from here and submit your template. Okay, and after submitting your template, Facebook will review your template in just few minutes and approve it. After getting your template approved, you can select it from here in your workflow and start using this automation to send messages. So the template I am using here is this one, business flyer. Okay, business_flyer template. So here's how the message will look like when we'll send it on WhatsApp. You can see in the preview, this will be the message. Okay, right. So first of all, you need to select the message template from this template name field. Our template is this one, business_flyer, and you can see the language code and the ID is filled up automatically. Here it is asking for the recipient's mobile number or the WhatsApp number of your lead that you get of your customer actually that you have here in this spreadsheet. Okay, so we have collected the data here in a previous step, and from Iterator we have separated the data. So from this Iterator only we are going to use this mobile number label, okay, and map it here. So when to map it, just click here and you will find this previous steps in the drop down, and from this Iterator map the mobile number or the WhatsApp number label. Okay, so when you map the labels here like this, whenever this workflow is going to run, the labels are going to change with every new row, and a new message will be delivered to each and every customer one by one. Okay, so this is necessary to map the number here. So here you can see the number should be in this format with a country code 91. This is for India. You can have different country codes and without any plus sign. Okay, now it is asking for these. First of all, it is asking for the header image URL. So in the header we are sending our business flyer. So to get this business flyer placed here in the message, you need to enter the URL of your business flyer here. To enter the URL, just click here and you will have this first step in the drop down, and here we have fetched the test data from this spreadsheet business flyers, and we have captured the link of this business flyer here. Okay, so from this first step, map this flyer link. Okay, so when you map the flyer link, what will happen whenever you add a new flyer link here, this workflow is going to run and the link will be changed and a new link will be delivered. Okay, here it is asking for the customer's name. So to find the customer's name, use the Iterator step and map this name label like this. Finally, in the second body field, you can see here. All right, so here you can enter the website address of your business. If you have a website of your business, you can put the address like this. So guys, we are done mapping the data here, required data. We have mapped it already, and I have the access to this WhatsApp account, guys. So I can show you how the message will appear. By clicking on save and send test request, we can send a test message to this WhatsApp number. Okay, so this is the WhatsApp account, guys, and let's click on save and send test request and let's see what happens. All right, so you can see we have received this response and we have received a new message also. You can see here. Let me show you the message. So guys, this is the message we have received, and here it is the message. Hello Adam Smith. We have attached a brochure with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our product. For more details, you can visit our website, and we are done here. Okay, you can see here we have attached this brochure, and this is the same thing we have attached here. So this is the same brochure that I have mapped here, and this is the same brochure that I have added here in my spreadsheet. Okay, right? So this is a sample for you, and you can create your brochure and map it here. So guys, we are done setting up this automation, and you need to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, you just have to add your business flyers details here, and the message will be delivered on WhatsApp to your customers like this automatically. Alright, and the best part is you can use the same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.